Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Lenovo ThinkPad. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 16GB DDR4 SATA memory module, designed for a range of ThinkPad models including the E14 Gen 4 AMD, E15 Gen 4 AMD, L15 Gen 3 Intel, P14S Gen 3 Intel, T14 Gen 2 AMD, and T16 Gen 1 Intel. If you're noticing your ThinkPad is starting to feel a little sluggish, especially when multitasking or running demanding applications, a RAM upgrade is often the most cost-effective solution. This ATEC module boasts a speed of 3,200 MHz, which translates to PC 4-25600. In simpler terms, it's fast. The increased speed allows your system to access data more quickly, resulting in snappier performance across the board. Installation is generally straightforward, especially if you've upgraded RAM in a laptop before. However, always consult your ThinkPad service manual for specific instructions and safety precautions. The SATA form factor is standard for laptops, making the physical installation process relatively simple. Just make sure you properly ground yourself to avoid any static discharge, which could damage the components. The ATEC module is non-ECC, which is perfectly fine for most users. ECC memory is primarily used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday tasks, gaming, and even most professional applications, non-ECC memory performs admirably. One of the biggest advantages of this upgrade is the increased capacity. Moving from 8GB to 16GB of RAM, or even adding this module to an existing 8GB stick to reach 16GB, can make a world of difference. You'll be able to run more applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns, handle larger files with ease, and generally enjoy a smoother computing experience. ThinkPads are known for their reliability and performance, and this ATEC RAM module seems to be a great way to enhance those qualities. It's a relatively inexpensive upgrade that can provide a noticeable boost in performance, extending the lifespan and usability of your ThinkPad. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your ThinkPad's performance, the ATEC 16GB DDR4 3,200 MHz SATA is definitely worth considering. Just be sure to check compatibility with your specific ThinkPad model before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.